Guys, I told myself I was gonna start vlogging again. We'll see how well that goes. Really, I got my little protein smoothie I made. Really, my videos are basically, oh, I didn't know what that was. It's just Rebel. The life of a single 30-year-old who lives by herself on a farm. Oh, there's tricks. Very entertaining, but I am about to hop on a podcast, somebody else's podcast, and then I'm gonna film another episode of my own podcast. So if you are not already subscribed on YouTube, you should be subscribed on Spotify if you're just one of those like listeners, but if you're a watcher, definitely subscribe on my YouTube. And I apologize for the background noise. That is my AC unit. But luckily today it's not 500 degrees outside. It's only like 80 something. So, and that's a first because it's literally been like melting hot outside. So anyway, I'll see you guys later. So exciting.
Alexa, play I Heart Yara.
You're on it. I'm scared to let go. Y'all, I've been saying for so long I'm gonna pick up my camera on my phone and start doing vlogs again, and like I will pick up my phone and like video things here and there that I'm like, oh, that'll be perfect for a vlog. And then I just have random videos on my phone. But what better day to really start again, maybe, than a snow day. And y'all, I'm in South Georgia. I am an hour away from the beach. This is not, well, it did snow last year, the same time around last year, so 2 years in a row, that's pretty good. Like, Georgia does not snow. So yeah, just about everything is canceled because people already can't drive around here. So add a little bit of snow and ice, no, done for. So me and Rebel are just walking around in the snow. Honestly, I do not like snow. I'm used to cold or hot weather. I love hot weather. So I'm not about the cold weather. So I'm probably just gonna go inside and bundle up, watch some traders. Yeah, maybe some hot chocolate, you know, the usual snow day things. Okay, I am fixing to head to the farm that I work on just built a new pavilion, like wedding venue, on the farm that I work and live on. I had to make a quick protein shake because I'm running out of time. But yeah, I'm going to head over there to work an event. It's like an open house for any like upcoming brides to pretty much just tour the venue. And so got to put on my little customer service face and do a little touring. Should be fun. It's beautiful outside today. The weather lately has been really terrible, really cold, really rainy, so I'm just like looking forward to like a really sunny, beautiful day. Hopefully I'll be outside and just enjoying the weather and getting paid at the same time. So I'll try to get a little bit of footage while I'm there.
This, people can just kind of carve like that.
You got your order?
Now that's hot, honey, you know that? Okay, just as long as you know. And I'm
This will be where the groom get ready. This will be where the brides get ready. It's a beautiful farmhouse. Beautiful. So I am currently in Terabithia. No, it's actually like this really cool trail on the farm that I live on. And every year the farm hosts this, they call it farm days, but it's like a 24-hour run where runners from all across the place who are just like super serious about running, they come and they run for 24 hours. And so this trail, it's right by my house. It gets cleared out every year, and so I wait to use it until after the run because it can get snaky and all the things. Rebel loves it. So yeah, once they clear it out after running on it for 24 hours, then I use it pretty much like every day, and it's just really peaceful out here. Like, I a lot of times will come out here, put on worship music, talk to God, and then I find like cool little nature things. So yeah, I call it Bridge to Terabithia. I call it Terabithia because in the spring and summer, it will get really green and luscious. Right now it's kind of dead because, you know, winter. But it'll get like super green and like it's so pretty. And just, I don't know. I'll have to record again when it's green and I can almost not even use it because it's so overgrown. But see, I'm already out of breath. I need to walk more. But yeah, so, and then it also just like goes out into the field, and then you go into the woods. It's like a little entrance to Terabithia. So another Saturday in the life of Alexis. I am at a walking trail right now, and usually I go to the gym, but it's such a nice day. Even though the pollen is outrageous, I'm gonna do a little walk, maybe get some sun. But I was taking my trash out at the dump and bumped into this couple who's moving to Arizona. They were throwing away all this really nice stuff. I ended up getting like a whole outdoor table, 2 chairs, board games. Like you can see, it's all just jam-packed into my car. A really nice mirror. Almost didn't fit in my car. I was like, we're gonna make this work. Don't worry. We're not throwing this stuff away. So yeah, I would say that was a win.